What are you doing, T?
Doing
Yeah, what are you doing?
today.
Are you trying to get that in there?
Stuff.
Oh, is it stuck? Can you put the screwdriver in there? Oh, other end. Turn it around. I think you got to use the yellow end, honey, not the green. There you go. Good job. You gonna fix the crib? Is it broken?
Bigger.
Broken?
Done.
Done?
Done.
Okay, it's all fixed.